Alright, so I thought I'd make this video kind of talking about pet rats, specifically fancy rats. So as you might be able to see now, I'm in a rat room. This is like where I let the rats play. I have 4 rats. Well, I say me and my partner. And as a pet, they're probably one of the coolest pets I can think of because they're super intelligent, very easy to keep, very cheap to keep, and they don't require much in the way of effort as such. It's more just that you have to take them out every day, ideally twice a day. And this is Loki, by the way. Say hello, Loki. Yeah, you just take them out once or twice a day, let them play around, and then as you can see here, let me just show you the rat setup we have. So basically just a whole bunch of cardboard boxes, and they just love playing around in there, running around the boxes. And then the rat cage itself, let me show you here. We try and include things they can climb on, not too many platforms, because then they're more encouraged to climb around. And yeah, it's very easy. This is Neo. Sometimes they don't like being filmed for some reason. It's almost like they can tell they're being filmed and they don't like it. But yeah, they sometimes just jump off. They sometimes just jump off things. Anyway, so what is it actually like having pet rats? It's very good. It's very easy. If you're thinking about getting them, I would recommend it because they're so kind of uplifting. Their energy is very contagious. They just run around. Yeah, they're normally a lot less shy, but I think they can tell they're being filmed. And like, they can tell the object is weird. I was hoping I could film some kind of rat fights or something. They tend to wrestle each other quite often. Well, looks like most of the rats are asleep now. And that's another thing, they tend to sleep during the day and then wake up about, I don't know, between 9 and 11 in the morning. They come out and play. Yeah, so it's very easy, very effortless. They're very friendly. They're super intelligent. You can normally train them within less than an hour. You can train them something. If you just keep reaffirming the action by giving them little treats, this might be a rat fight, maybe. Yeah, you can just reaffirm actions with little treats, and yeah, because they are so intelligent, I feel like they should be taken out to play very often. And they definitely notice if you forget to take them out. Yeah, so and they say you should have pairs of 2 rats. You should never have a rat on their own. Should be with at least one other one, so they can. Yeah, this is probably the worst rat review ever because I don't really know how to structure this other than just saying they're very good pets. Yeah, maybe I'll leave an end at there.